Good morning, everyone, and welcome for today's lecture. So, in this lecture, we are solving some problems, different types of problems here based on the RL circuit, RC circuit, and RLC circuit. And before solving those problems, we have to understand what will be the changes in the inductor, what will be the changes in the capacitor according to the initial condition and final condition. So the concept is required to solve the problems. So we will see first of all, so initial conditions and final conditions. So according to that, what will be the changes in the inductors and capacitor states? That is, inductor is shorted or open. Similarly, capacitor is shorted or open. So it depends on the initial or final conditions. So according to the some table, we can understand. First of all, we will consider the initial condition out of these. Initial conditions. So this table will help a lot of to understand the problems, to understand the concept, and according to that we can solve the problems, because it matters whether inductor is shorted or open. Because if inductor is shorted, maximum current will flow. If inductor is open, then current will be zero. Are you understand? So according to the status or changes in the inductor, the value will change. So to solve the problem correctly, we need to understand those concepts. Okay, so initial condition for the inductor we can consider. Suppose we can consider the case like suppose if this is for inductor, can give as a number one. For inductor, if there is no current, if there is no current flowing through, if there is no current flowing through inductor, inductor at t is equal to 0 minus, म्हणजे झिरोच्या अगोदर, म्हणजे स्विच ओपन होऊ दे किंवा क्लोज होऊ दे, ॲट टी इक्वल टू झिरो, द करंट इन द इंडक्टर वॉज और इज झिरो. ओके, therefore inductor acts as open circuit. So already I told this concept. If current is zero, the meaning is that open circuit. So before closing the switch at t is equal to 0, or before opening the switch at t equal to 0, if current is 0 in the inductor, then even though if you are closing or opening the switch at t equal to 0, there will not be change in current, because the property of inductor says it will oppose the change in current for some time. So the inductor acts as open circuit for that particular time. So if that is open, then open at t equal to 0 plus also means, even though for t is equal to 0 plus, the value of current, the current flowing through, the current flowing through inductor remains zero, that is at t equal to 0 plus also, the current flowing through inductor, that is also same as 0 plus IL of 0 plus is equal to IL of 0 minus is equal to 0 ampere. Okay, so this will be the concept. म्हणजे if there is no current flowing through inductor at t is equal to 0 minus, therefore the inductor acts as open circuit at t is equal to 0 plus also. Therefore the current flowing through the inductor remains 0, that is at t is equal to 0 plus, the current passing through inductor at 0 plus is equal to current passing through inductor at 0 minus. So that will be the 0 ampere. So this will be the condition for inductor when there is a no current flowing through inductor at t is equal to 0 minus. So you have to show as a open circuit for the inductor. Similarly, for capacitor, you can write if if there is if there is आता कॅपॅसिटरला कसं असतं कॅपॅसिटर इज रिलेटेड टू व्होल्टेज if there is no voltage if there is no voltage across capacitor at t is equal to 0 minus, that is at t is equal to 0 minus, the voltage across capacitor, that is vc of 0 minus, is 0 volt. Therefore capacitor acts as short circuit. Voltage 0 म्हणजेच काय, short circuit. So what is the property of capacitor? Capacitor does not allow sudden change in voltage, as capacitor does not allow the sudden change in voltage. Therefore at t is equal to 0 plus also, the voltage across capacitor will not be changed, that is vc of 0 plus is equal to vc of 0 minus is equal to 0 volt. Therefore the capacitor acts as short circuit. Capacitor acts as short circuit for t 0 plus. Okay, so here the inductor will act as open circuit for t is equal to 0 plus. Similarly capacitor acts as a short circuit for t is equal to 0 plus. Here the current concept is there, here the voltage concept is there. So these points will be required to solve the problems. Okay, these two concepts are important. So here we talked about current is equal to 0, that is initial current is 0, and here we talked about the initial voltage across capacitor is 0. If some current is there initially other than 0, and here some voltage will be there, then what will be the condition? That I will tell. If suppose in this case the initial current is 1 ampere, so that also continue means it remains as a 1 ampere. If the voltage across capacitor initially is 5 volt, so here at t0 plus the voltage across capacitor will remains as a 5 volt. Are you understand? म्हणजे इनिशियल कंडिशनला जे काही करंट व्हॅल्यू असेल तेच आय ऑफ 0 प्लस ला पण असणार. Here also whatever the voltage across capacitor was present at initially, that also carries for t is equal to 0 plus. Are you understand? So graphically we can understand the more. So I will make two parts here. So this is the element with initial condition. Left hand side is element with initial condition. So what are the elements? Resistor, inductor and capacitor. So element with initial condition, and this element at t is equal to 0 plus. Okay, element with initial condition, and what will be the changes in the element at t is equal to 0 plus. So first of all we will talk about resistor. घेऊया आपण. So this is the resistor R at t is equal to 0 minus and at t is equal to 0 plus. Whether there will be any change in the resistor? No, it remains always same. So there will not be any change with respect to resistor. It will remain same R. Okay. Now next second element, that will be the inductor. This will be the inductor, and the initial current if it is 0, IL is 0, किंवा मी असं लिहितो IL of 0 minus is equal to 0 ampere. Initial current at t is equal to 0 minus in the inductor is 0 ampere. So what will be the changes in the diagram? So see here, what will be the changes? It will act as what? Open circuit. Okay, so I will draw the open circuit. Open circuit means inductor is replaced by open circuit. So it is open circuit. I will write, it will be the open circuit, that is OC. So it will show that IL of 0 minus is equal to IL of 0 plus is equal to 0 ampere. So in the diagram you have to consider this effect. म्हणजेच initial current passing through inductor if it is 0, then at t is equal to 0 plus the inductor acts as open circuit, and according to the diagram you can make the changes. You can show the inductor as an open circuit and then solve the further part. Okay, so this is about the inductor. Now next one, if capacitor is there as third part, if capacitor will be there, that is the capacitor C, and suppose the voltage across the capacitor VC of 0 minus is equal to 0 volt. So this is the initial condition. Okay, so initial condition across the capacitor, you can consider that voltage is 0 volt. So what will be the changes in the diagram? When voltage across capacitor initially is 0 volt, the meaning is the capacitor is getting shorted. So you can show that capacitor is getting shorted. So you can write short circuit. So if it is short circuit, then voltage across capacitor at 0 minus is same as voltage across capacitor at 0 plus, that is equal to 0 volt. Okay. Now this is when current is 0 and voltage is 0. If current passing through inductor at the initial is some value, that is IL of 0 minus is equal to some ampere. So how we can mention that? I0 unit is ampere. So let the current passing through inductor at initial, that is at t is equal to 0 minus is I0. मग I0 चं व्हॅल्यू काय पण असू शकेल, 1 ampere, 0.5 ampere, 2 ampere, 5 ampere, whatever may be the initial current. In that case, how the inductor will behave in the circuit when t is equal to 0 plus, त्यावेळी काय होणार आहे? At that time the inductor will act as a current source. At that time the inductor will act as a current source. So this direction depends on the flow of inductor, the flow of current passing through inductor. जर असं उलट असेल तर उलट येईल. Okay, so at t is equal to 0 plus, that is at, or you can say current passing through inductor at 0 minus is same as current passing through inductor at 0 plus, that is equal to I0. That is equal to I0. So this value of current source is I0. So inductor can be replaced by the current source. Okay, if initial current is other than 0 value, where I0 is not equal to 0 ampere. I will specify that where I0 is not equal to 0 ampere. In that case, the inductor will act as a current source. Similarly for capacitor, if voltage across capacitor is some value other than 0, that is polarity is important. So voltage across capacitor at 0 minus is I can consider as V0. Okay, the unit is volt. So some value is there. It may be 1 volt, 0.5 volt, 2 volt, whatever initial condition voltage across capacitor. Then at that time the capacitor acts as, here inductor acts as a current source. So here capacitor acts as a voltage source. That is plus minus So capacitor if having initial value across that is the initial voltage across that as a V0, then at t is equal to 0 plus it acts as a voltage source, that is Vc of 0 minus E is equal to Vc of 0 plus E is equal to V0, that is unit is volt. So this will be V0, the supply the value of voltage source as a same as a initial value, that is the V0. So this is the initial condition. So this table you have to understand. This table you have to understand. So if anyone having doubt, please ask. कोणाला डाऊट असेल तर विचारू शकता. देर आर दी ऍक्च्युली फॉरगेट अबाउट रजिस्टर. रजिस्टर मध्ये काही चेंज होत नाही. सो सेकंड थर्ड फोर्थ फिफ्थ whether you understood second third fourth and fifth, whether you understood. ओके, जर 0 अँपियर करंट असेल इंडक्टरच्या अक्रॉस तर तो ओपन होतो. जर व्होल्टेज अक्रॉस कॅपॅसिटर इज इफ इट इज 0 व्होल्ट देन इट बिकम्स शॉर्ट सर्किट. मग 0 सोडून जर व्हॅल्यू असेल दॅट इज I0 असेल जर करंट पासिंग थ्रू इंडक्टर देन इट ऍक्ट्स एज अ करंट सोर्स. इफ व्होल्टेज अक्रॉस कॅपॅसिटर इज सम व्हॅल्यू that is V0, then that capacitor acts as a voltage source. Okay, so according to that you can make the changes in the diagram for solving the problem. This is about initial condition. Now we will talk about the second part, that is the final condition. That is the final conditions. So what are the final conditions here? Final conditions काय असू शकतात? So we can understand with the help of the same table. So exactly opposite will happen. So first of all we can consider the resistor same as a resistor. So if resistor is there, for initial condition some value will be there. Suppose 0 ampere, whatever the value will be there I0, it will take as the same. The resistor ला काहीच फरक पडत नाही for final conditions, that is same as I0. Okay, now second one, if we are talking about inductor L, and for final conditions, so for final conditions what we are talking, element with final conditions. So element here इथं काय तर लिहूया आपण, element at t is equal to infinite. Final condition म्हणजेच t is equal to at infinite means for long time. शॉर्ट मध्ये लिहितो for long time. खूप वेळ असेल एकाच पोझिशनला. Okay, that is called as final conditions. So if inductor is remaining at same position for long time, then what will be the changes in the diagram? What will be the changes in the diagram? So at that case inductor acts as a short circuit. एक प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व केलं होतं बघा, आठवते का बघा. द स्विच वॉज ऍट पोझिशन ए फॉर लॉंग टाइम, असं एक प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व केलं होतं. ऍट दॅट केस आय टोल्ड दॅट कॅप इंडक्टर ऍक्ट्स एज अ शॉर्ट सर्किट. तुम्ही प्रॉब्लेम बघू शकता, फॉर RL सर्किट मध्ये दाखवलंय बघा. ओके, एक्झॅक्टली अपोजिट. at t is equal to infinite the inductor acts as a short circuit. Now third one capacitor. So capacitor will act as an open circuit if it is remaining for long time. So long time वरती जर असेल कॅपॅसिटर, so it will act as a open circuit, that is OC. So this when IL we can say current passing through inductor is 0 ampere. असं जर असेल तर, and voltage across capacitor is 0 volt. So for long time it will act as a short circuit and open circuit. Now if some current is there which is passing through inductor, then what will be the status? So IL of current passing through inductor if it is I0, then what will be the changes in the diagram? Anyone? जर 0 ampere असेल तर तो शॉर्ट होतो फॉर लॉंग टाइम. If it is I0 value, I0 ampere म्हणतो मी, then what will be the changes in the diagram? So changes in the diagram, carefully note down. It acts as a current source, but here no resistors will be there. Okay, for means it is acting as a ideal current source. Ideal current source लक्षात ठेवलं असेल का तुम्ही? So here it is acts as a short circuit for this, means resistors across this. Okay, practical current source तुम्हाला दाखवलं होतं at the initial of this subject. So this value will remains I0. ह्या current source चं value I0 च राहणार, जे इथं असणार आहे. But here resistor will become short circuit. Fifth one, we are talking about capacitor. If voltage across capacitor, that is VC, E is equal to V0 volt, then what will be the changes in the diagram? So that will be the, careful note down, that will be the voltage source where resistors become open circuit. If the resistor becomes short circuit, here resistor becomes short circuit. So this is the ideal voltage source, but resistor is 0. So here it is open circuit, इथं मी शॉर्ट सर्किट लिहिलेलं आहे, and this value will be the V0. हे दोन कंडिशन आपल्याला जास्त लागत नाही. We not require these two conditions. We require these two, second and third, for the final conditions. Okay, and for initial conditions we require 4, that is the second, third, fourth, fifth. Whereas for final condition we require second and third only. These two, fourth and fifth, is not required. It is a rare case. It is a rare case. Such type of problems will be very difficult to solve. So whether you understood the final conditions, everyone? Okay, so before solving the problems, just wait. Okay, chalo, we can solve now problem. So question number 1, determine uh, I of t for t greater than or equal to 0. Determine I of t for t greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so for the circuit, shown in figure, so determine I of t for t greater than equal to 0 for the circuit shown in figure. So carefully note down the circuit. So this problem was asked in university question paper for 4 marks. So how to solve this problem, can think now. So at t is equal to 0, the switch is moving from A to B. So you have to find out, determine I of t for t greater than equal to 0. म्हणजेच जेव्हा स्विच ए पासून बी कडे शिफ्ट होईल तेव्हाच तुम्हाला करंट फाइंड आउट करायचे. सो this will be the direction of current that you have to find I of t. So you have to find out I of t for t greater than or equal to 0. So the statement is not given like this, the switch is moving from A to B at t is equal to 0, but you have to understand that concept, because the arrow is shown here and they are asking the response I of t for t greater than or equal to 0. Means when switch is moving from A to B, then and then you have to find out I of t. So we can solve this problem. So if you are observing this circuit, so this is a series circuit. This is a series circuit. या टाईपचे एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व्ह केले, फक्त इथं एक व्होल्टेज सोर्स होता. अंडरस्टूड. सो 50 आणि 25 असं एक एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व्ह केलं होतं बघा, लक्षात आहे का बघा. सो सोल्युशन, when switch, इथं स्विचला नाव दिलेलं नाहीये, यू कॅन गिव्ह द के. when the switch K is changed from or moved from, any word you can use, is changed from position A to position B at t equal to 0. When switch K is changed from position A to position B at t is equal to 0. Okay, so what will be the equation for that? You can consider that as short. So for short circuit, what is the voltage? For short circuit, what is the voltage? That is the 0 volt. Okay, so when switch K is changed from position A to position B at t is equal to 0, we can apply KVL. We can apply KVL. Okay, so for that you need to draw the circuit. So this will be the switch. हा झाला तुमचं circuit. So this will be 1 Henry. This will be 25 ohm. Okay, and this will be the position B. So you can apply KVL here to find out I of t. T is equal to actually 0 plus म्हणतोय मी. Okay, so according to this direction of current, this is the plus minus, this is the plus minus, this is already 0 volt. So apply the KVL. minus 25 into I लिहितो मी. Instead of I of t 0 plus I will write I. Okay, or किंवा तुम्ही असं लिहू शकता I of 0 plus minus 25 into I of 0 plus minus इंडक्टरचं कसं असतं, L into di by dt, that is L is 1 into di of 0 plus divided by dt is equal to 0. is equal to 0. So take minus common. Minus common केलं तर काय होईल बघा, d of I of 0 plus divided by dt plus 25 I of 0 plus is equal to 0. म्हणजे मायनस कॉमन घेतलं आणि ऑलरेडी कोएफिशियंट इथं 1 आहे, त्यामुळे दुसरं काय करायची गरज नाही. सो द कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक इक्वेशन is d plus 25 in bracket I of 0 plus is equal to 0. is equal to 0. Okay, so what will be the roots? What will be the root? किंवा कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक इक्वेशन जर सेपरेट केलात तुम्ही, d is equal to 25, what will be the roots? Or you can consider as a homogeneous linear differential equation. Homogeneous linear differential equation. So in that case, what will be the value? What will be the value or what will be the solution? Therefore the solution, त्याला मी equation 1 देतो. The solution for equation 1 is, the solution for equation 1 is, that is I of 0 plus E is equal to, only it consists of complementary function. The particular integral is 0 कारण k चं value 0 आहे. Here k value is 0 and p value is what, 25. बरोबर आहे. K value is 0 and p value is 25. So the solution consisting of c into e raised to minus pt plus e raised to minus pt integration of k into e raised to plus pt with respect to t. So this is the particular integral, this is the pi and this is the complementary function. मग k व्हॅल्यू इथे 0 असल्यामुळे हा टोटल काय होणार आहे, 0 होणार आहे. ओके, सो c इज द आर्बिट्ररी कॉन्स्टंट, c into e raised to minus 25 into t. So this is the value of I of 0 plus, okay, किंवा I of t म्हणूया, I of t, that is I of t equal to c into e raised to minus 25 into t. So this you can consider as a equation 2. So still we have to find out the arbitrary constant c. So that we can find out by using the initial conditions. Okay. So initial conditions. मग initial condition म्हणजेच इंडक्टरचा रोल काय आता? What will be the behavior of inductor? So at t is equal to 0 minus, at t is equal to 0 minus means when switch k was at position A, at t is equal to 0 minus when switch k was at position A. So according to that I will draw the diagram. So the switch, that is the supply voltage, असं जर असेल तर असं काढा किंवा बॅटरी दाखवलं होतं ना मी. So you can show as a battery. I will draw the here. This is called as battery. This is 25 volt. So the switch position is at A. The switch is K. Resistor will remain same as. So what will be the position, what will be the status of inductor? Inductor short होणार का open होणार? See the time table, initial condition. The switch was at position A for long time. For long time. मग long time म्हणजेच काय? From t is equal to minus infinity to 0. This is a long time. Minus infinity to 0. या टाइम पिरियड साठी तो स्विच ए वरतीच होता. मग त्यावेळेस इंडक्टर काय होणार आहे, इंडक्टर शॉर्ट होणार आहे का ओपन होणार आहे? दॅट यू कॅन ऑब्झर्व इन द टेबल नंबर 1 अकॉर्डिंग टू इनिशियल कंडिशन अँड टेल मी दॅट व्हॅल्यू फास्ट. इंडक्टर बिकम शॉर्ट और ओपन? Anyone? See the table number 1. I am telling table number 1 you have to see. Inductor acts as शॉर्ट सर्किट और ओपन सर्किट इफ करंट इज नॉट 0. करंट 0 आहे का? कारण इथं 25 वोल्ट प्रेझेंट आहे, सप्लाय व्होल्टेज आहे, याचा अर्थ इंडक्टर ओपन होत आहे का शॉर्ट? Okay. Okay. One thing. Otherwise, if you are using this long time as a final condition, जर फायनल कंडिशन म्हणून तर तुम्ही यूज करत असाल, then see the second table. If here so no source is there, current is 0, then you can use for current value is 0. If source is present, then some value of current is present and that value will be remains for time t is equal to minus infinite to 0. So consider as a final condition. So it shows that the inductor acts as a short circuit. Shows that inductor acts as a short circuit. If inductor acts as a short circuit, okay, so inductor as a short circuit, so for that the current passing through inductor, that will be I of 0 minus, or current passing through this circuit I of 0 minus will be 25 divided by 25. that will be the 1 ampere. Or understand? So 25 divided by only resistor will be present. So 25 divided by 25 will give us the this current. Okay. So that of I of 0 minus is equal to 1 ampere. So this condition use, therefore at t is equal to 0 minus, that is equal to 0, the current, that is I of 0 minus, is equal to I of 0 plus is same as 1 ampere. So put these in equation number 2, we get, so I of t, that is current will be the 1 ampere, is equal to C into e raised to minus 25 into 0. So t is replaced by 0 and current is replaced by 1, means this current is replaced by 1 here. So 1 is equal to C into 1. E raised to anything is, e raised to 0 is 1. Okay, e raised to 0 is 1, you can write. So C value is what? C value is 1. So put this in equation number 2. Therefore I of t is equal to, C is replaced by 1, that is e raised to minus 25 into t, that is ampere. So this is the answer of current for t greater than or equal to 0. This is the answer of I of t is equal to e raised to minus 25 into t ampere for t greater than or equal to 0. Understood? So take as a second problem as a homework. I will give the homework for you people. So try this example as a homework. Question number 2. Uh, find current. Find current I of 0 plus. Find current I of 0 plus when switch is open, when switch is open at t equal to 0. Find current I of 0 plus when switch is open at t is equal to 0 plus. So note down the diagram. So this will be the switch. So this will be 50 volt. This will be 20 ohm. This will be 20 ohm. And this will be inductor 2H. And this switch is opening. The switch already closed. So it is opening at t is equal to 0. So very interesting concept is there. आतापर्यंत switch closing at t is equal to 0 म्हणत होतो. आता switch is opening at t is equal to 0. You can try this example. And you have to find out this current, that is I of 0 plus. Okay, the current can also flowing through this, the current flowing through here. The current is म्हणजे 3 ब्रांच मधून करंट असतो. या ब्रांच मधला करंट, या ब्रांच मधला करंट आणि या ब्रांच मधला. पण त्यातलं त्यांनी विचारलंय या ब्रांच मधला करंट, that is I of 0 plus. You have to find out when switch is open at t is equal to 0. Whether you can solve, you can try करायला